carrying more than just our bags.
Our advocacy call. Goals matter, but health matters more.
And this is how academic pressure affects students' mental health.
Many students are feeling tired, stressed, and overwhelmed.
But not everyone talks about it.
Sometimes we keep everything to ourselves, even when it's already too much.
That's why this advocacy is important for all of us.
Because goals matter, but health matters more.
Every day, students walk into classrooms with hopes of success.
But behind every notebook and exam paper, there are still silent struggles we don't always see.
We push ourselves to meet deadlines, even when we are already exhausted.
We stay up late thinking that rest can wait, but the workload never really stops.
And slowly, pressure becomes part of our everyday life.
Some students begin to feel lost, even in places where they are expected to succeed. And sometimes, the hardest part is pretending that everything is okay. But no student should carry everything alone.
Behind every quiet student is someone who may just need understanding.
We can change how we face academic pressure by balancing work and rest.
By learning to pause even when everything feels urgent.
By speaking up instead of staying silent.
You are not just a student trying to survive school. You are a person who deserves care. That's why your health matters as much as your success.
Good afternoon po. We are BS RT 11 and we are raising awareness on student well-being and academic pressure. So can you state your name, course, and year number?
I am Jamaica Maybe Balan from BMLS 1 and I am first.
My name is Ian Kennedy Guzman and I am from BSN 17.
Hi, I'm Adel Harte Vicentaro, currently taking AB Psychology. Currently in second year.
From BSN. My name is Lamar, spiritual therapy student, second year.
So here's your question po. How does academic pressure affects you as a student?
Academic pressure affects me as a student by making me feel stressed and yung pressure and na yung exam and may madaming mga quizzes. Ayun, nakaka-overwhelm siya, oo, pero on the other side, it pushes me to do better and be responsible.
So ma'am, here's your question. What is one thing you wish people understood about students experiencing pressure?
I wish that people understood that every student has different capabilities. It doesn't mean higher than student A, higher than student B. Their capabilities vary per student and it doesn't mean that it's the same. Okay, so nasa isang person.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, another question. Do you have any message sa mga students na nagsasuffer ngayon sa academic pressure?
It's okay to take a break, take a breather. You should also surround yourself with the right friends or the right people kasi they can influence you and your capabilities.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
My question is, what usually causes you stress?
As a psychology student, I believe that stress is part of our journey through learning and acknowledging your responsibilities as a student. But one major stress or stressor that I usually encounter is the heavy workloads, yung mga long readings, like pag may mga case studies kami and everything. Pero I took that as a positive impact, or let's say positive. I think that is in a positive way kasi I took or yung nakaka-learn ako ng things like nadadagdagan yung knowledge ko and everything through that one. And that's all. Thank you.
And our question po is, what do you usually do to cope with stress from school?
I usually do managing my time. I also do running during prep and also doing sports like badminton, volleyball, and
So our question is, how does academic pressure affects you as a student?
Thinking, anxiety, and stress, and fear, like
That's okay. Thank you po.
As we end our advocacy here in our school, we want to leave a final reminder for everyone.
Students face a lot of pressure every day, from school, from expectations, and from ourselves.
We try to keep up with everything, but sometimes we forget to take care of our own health.
But success is not only about achievements.
It's also about rest, balance, and mental well-being.
when we take care of ourselves, we don't forget, but we become stronger.
So start today. Don't ignore your health.
Support each other instead of comparing.
And remember that your well-being matters.
Always choose balance over pressure.
Again, we are BSRT 11, reminding you to chase your dreams, but never sacrifice your well-being.